like Woodward West.
Oh, yeah,
Hey you guys, we're here today with professional scooter rider Raymond Warner. Thank you for coming out here.
Absolutely, thank you for having me.
I'm very excited for this video because Nigel back there, he's done a backflip on a scooter before, but only at Woodward with a foam pit and then a resi pad. And now we have this 3-block with everything is removable, and we have this brand new launch ramp, and Nigel made the mistake of saying that he wants to try a backflip. Nigel made the mistake of saying he wants to try a backflip in front of us two, and now we're like, let's go.
Yeah,
let's get him going. I say you disaster this, he has to backflip today. So he's like, absolutely not, I'm not doing it, I refuse, I will not do it. Gabe, don't make me do this. And I've completely ignored him every single time, and now he's setting it up.
By himself.
By himself.
Oh, never mind, he's got help.
You just gotta give him the rounds. You just gotta help him through it. You gotta teach him how, make sure he's comfortable, and then...
Teach me how? Do you not know who I am?
Bro.
I just didn't want to do it, because this man be pressuring you to do videos you don't want to do. So I was like, ugh! I don't want to do it!
The animosity.
Can I ask you a question real quick though? Like in all seriousness, would you prefer a friend who pressured you to be a better person and achieve things that you know you can do in life that you wouldn't normally do? Or would you just rather have a friend that would just like shut up and just let you go through life as a bum? That's not who I would prefer to be.
Let me be a bum, baby! Let me be a bum!
Nigel literally could not be a bum if he tried. You were in the army, dude. You were on an elevated lifestyle.
The ultimate bum life, baby. Like, hey, let me get $1. Let me get $1.
Just like Woodward West.
Hey, that is pretty solid. If I do say so myself, it looks pretty good.
Just like Woodward West. Well, I've done all I can do.
I've never backflipped on wood. I've only done soft stuff.
Oh, dude, you can
Is
do
it
it.
the same thing?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Of course it's the same thing. You just gotta like be prepared to really like, I mean, fall first of all, but second of all, you gotta be prepared to land it.
What gets you through a backflip?
Your commitment mainly.
Because for me, I just like, whatever, and just go.
That's good. As long as you're committed and that whatever is good to go and you're like not like, what? Oh, then you're solid.
Is it harder to land on resi?
Yes.
I feel like it is because you
Absolutely.
bounce,
Is
right?
it?
You bounce and it's slippery, especially on
Oh,
scooter
yeah, you're
wheels. Super slippery.
That makes
So
sense.
if you go off axis at all, like,
And then
you're
you
just-
land, you're out.
Yeah, it's a wrap. And then you get resi burn. All bad.
So you can wake up, get on your scooter, just out of the bed, and just, if there's a ramp that's perfect, just backflip the first time.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah, every time. You could do it too. That's the thing.
What are you talking
You could do
about?
it.
Aerial balance, like, you know where you are better than anyone I've seen.
I don't wake up in the morning like, oh yeah, let me just, you know, boom.
Yeah, but you did it at Woodward, and it was solid. It was solid, bro.
Yeah.
I don't think it would be much. I don't think it's gonna be difficult for you at all. Because as soon as you go, you're gonna know where you're at. Absolutely.
Alright. I've been here before, I've done this before. Scooters are scary.
You know, and you don't have to brace for another ramp down.
True.
You just roll flat.
Alright, before that, you gotta teach me something else.
Deal. Let's do it. Where's your skateboard?
I know what to do. Flare.
No! Alright, maybe.
Let's see a couple tails really quick.
This feels weird. This way?
Bar spin? Bar spin?
No, I can't bar spin.
Oh, dude, that's task
That's why
number
when
one.
you did it over that, I was like, wait, how do you?
Oh, that's task one, dude.
All right.
Right here.
Show me.
On what? The
Teach
quarter?
me something.
We'll do it on the quarter since you gotta do it backhand then anyway.
All right.
All right, deal.
Do you just throw it and open your hand and wait for it to catch?
Yeah.
Was that half a spin or a full spin?
That's full.
Wait. One more time. You're like a magician.
Literally. Like it just whips around.
Just think about like smacking something.
You got smack more.
Yep.
More smack.
See?
But when you're in
Boom.
the air, there's not going to be any resistance.
More smack.
Here's the best part. When you like the easiest thing to do is when you do the bar, like
Sorry.
when you do the bar, like drop this hand and you can just grab it like that too. So that way you don't have to like flip because that's way harder.
Yeah, that's what I always do.
That's harder. But like if you do that, you can kind of just hand it off. That's what we
Man,
call
I
it.
bet you would be a good scooter.
Hand on.
Seems like it's a magician
Huh?
type of thing.
It's like sleight of hand.
Yeah, sleight of hand.
You got that easy.
That's so scary.
Wait a second. Go off. Wait a second. Then do it. You're trying to rush it. Don't rush it. Just chill. Yeah. Nice and easy. Boom. Just gotta let go.
It's so scary for me.
Let it go. Lean forward a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like
let
you're
it go.
leaning back too far.
Lean forward and actually just like let them go.
You gotta do this, Nigel.
Yeah.
I know how you can do it. You gotta do this, but like this.
Yeah.
See, like this
the
right
dance
here, easy. Seems easy. And then you have to jump
like
in
this.
there, and it just.
Or like this. Or like this. Braille just melts. Or like this. And then try like that.
With me, bro.
Dude, I can't do this.
Wait, I want to try.
Yes.
You gotta lean,
that
do you have to
seems-
lean back? I feel like this would just always hit your leg.
Yeah, you just kind of like you lean back a little bit. Yeah.
I think, do this, Nigel. Like, think of it like a one-hander and just go like this. Maybe.
No, he said flicking it is harder.
You can even like just do it slower. Like you're trying to rush it like really fast. Just if you jump and just like kind of slowly do it, you don't have to worry about it hitting your dropping all kinds of stuff, and I think it'll be a little bit
Wow,
easier.
I want to land it right here. Then you gotta do it. Alright. I think your bars are kind of bad. Oh god, that's deadly. I'm gonna kill myself. Good luck.
Good luck. Thanks.
All right, let's go. This is it. Yeah! You just gotta let go. As soon as you let go with that right hand, it's a wrap. You're trying to fully hand it off now.
I am.
Yeah, just let it go. You'll be all right.
Just let it go. All right, I'll let you.
He's in. He's in. Two more. That's it.
Dang!
Now you got it. Now you're letting go of it. You got it. 100%. 100% got this go. Comment below.
Oh my god! I keep not letting go now. You know what? I'm landing it right now.
Right now. Bro, no. Bro, no.
I just gave myself a dead leg. Oh, that was good. That was good. You know what?
That's some scoot pain, dude.
I'm just gonna do a backflip.
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm gonna do a backflip.
If you land a backflip, first go, yet the bar spin is just giving you that much trouble. Mind blown.
He had one shot, one opportunity. This is everything he ever wanted. One moment. He didn't capture it. He let it slip. Now his knee's weak. Arm's spaghetti. Kinetic on his sweater already. He's nervous. On the surface, he does look calm and ready to drop bombs. Backflip bomb.
No, I'm not. Babe, I just want you to go grab me a water from the back.
But he keeps on forgetting what he did at Woodward. The whole crowd's going so loud.
Oh, yeah, I found the water. I'll take that water.
Well, time's up. Over. Blow. Smack.
I need a water.
Back to the Braille drop. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, he's so mad. But he won't forget. He rode down. I think I got the whole song in a loop right now. I love you.
Yo, first go!
Oh my God. That was the greatest thing
Now
I've ever seen.
I know.
That did not get better. You did it first tee. No way.
First try.
Just came back, bro.
See, that was gnarly.
You missed it too?
Yeah, I had to go to the bathroom.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone take something like a backy, like to wood and land it first go like that. Especially from not doing it in like.
The only reason that happened is because you're here. Had you sent this scooter and was like, he was sitting here like, hey, backflip it.
Oh, no.
Absolutely not. There's no way.
Honestly, I wouldn't even have told you or asked you to do it if he was not here.
That was, dude, that was beautiful.
I don't think I'm ever doing that again.
That was
just
amazing.
I don't know, man. I think you'll do it again.
But you know what I think now is that every backflip video we did at Woodward can be done here now.
Hey, if we could just get a mattress.
Yeah, dude. No, we're gonna get like a foam pad and everything.
I'm gonna send.
Airbag or foam or something. I bet we could all backflip.
Anyone else want to try a backflip?
So how do you backflip?
Give him a rundown of it.
I just need to see it.
Right now?
Yeah.
What we're doing right now?
Yeah.
Mogley, you should do it.
I'll be honest,
Not on that,
when
on
it
my
comes to
skateboard.
backflipping,
Nah, I don't.
if you can backflip on a trampoline and you have that aerial awareness
Like just grabbing, I could throw
and
it.
you're confident,
That's why I want to see it
Maybe
one
you
more
can do
time.
it. Maybe.
I was filming. I couldn't really focus on.
I'll do another one for you too.
No, but I couldn't really focus on because I was filming. It's but my eyes.
are you gonna try it on this?
Why? I just said my skateboard. I want to do that for myself.
You know, I think Uzi could do it if his heel wasn't hurt.
Uzi!
But I'd probably like to try it onto something Last time I backflipped, okay, here's my story why I quit backflipping. All right, I had backflips on like swings, whatever, when I was like 5. But then I was like, I want to learn how to backflip, like that's my goal, it'll be sick. I went to this sky high like trampoline place, learned how to backflip. I was like, oh, this is so fun. Backflipping everywhere, backflip. Then I learned backflip on flat like 20 minutes later. I was like, oh, okay, I got backflip. Then I went on the big trampoline. I was like, I'm gonna do a backflip as high as I can backflip. Jumped as high as I could. Literally didn't just spin enough, landed directly on my head and like bruised my sternum with my face.
No, bro.
I thought I was gonna be paralyzed, and I'm like, I'm not backflipping anymore.
He's like, I'm done. I'm done.
Let's make a backflip for one day.
Perfect, baby. Let's go.
Can you double?
Yeah, no, that.
You got a Woodward? Double?
Yeah.
Kev, why are you just smelling the pizza? He started filming it, so I was like, oh.
That one extra flip is sketch.
Your pizza for 5 minutes.
You're gonna like
Isn't that what you always do?
Huh?
Isn't that what everyone does when they get pizza?
Bruh,
they're just.
I just wanted y'all to go get some pizza. Now y'all smell pizza, you're gonna want pizza. I'm gone, I've done my
I'm
job.
gonna send a scoot out here, and
I'll practice.
I'm gonna be like, front flip.
That is gonna be like
This
a
is the
whole
spot to do it.
mission.
Nah, dude, I bet you could do it first go.
That's a whole. I feel so much more comfortable with that. That is like
You can do it.
terrifying.
Just go faster. Faster? Yeah.
I might throw another. I might.
You could do it. You could like. Oh. Like full on. Only because once you do 3, you've got it. Like you come back tomorrow, do it first go.
I'm just nervous to throw another one already.
Nah, you'll land it. Easy. If you do it at first try like that, as long as
Hey,
you're
yo,
paying
3
attention-
backflips with 3 different angles of filming, full Instagram montage.
True. Oh my god, dude, he's got him down.
Huh?
Holy backflip it. I can't do that.
Dude, I got honestly scared. Halfway through, I was like, I'm not making it all the way around. Like, I felt like I was not making it all the way around.
That was beautiful.
I look like a straight nerd.
That was awesome.
And I still can't bar spin!
Well, Nigel has an Instagram. That will be in the description, so you should definitely follow him. Props for doing that. Raymond also has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. Those links will be in the description below. Definitely check them out. There's some videos over there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely learn how to skateboard, go to the skate park, have fun with your friends. Whatever you're doing, it doesn't matter as long as you're out there having a good time.
Scooters, snow, wake, bike, all of it. Action sports. Action sports, baby!
Later.